Good day, dear boys and girls. Let's start today's our English lesson. At first, let's introduce myself. My full name is Сулейменова. Okay, let's start. Before we start our lesson, let's watch the video.
There is, there are. Now we will learn the use of words is and are with the word there. There is one cake. There are 10 balloons. There is one clown. There are 7 children. What do you observe? We use the words there is with one person or object. We use the words there are with more than one person or object.
Okay, children, how do you think? What will be about today's our lesson? Yes, the theme of our lesson is the constructions there is and there are. We use there is and there are to say that something exists. Look at the screen, please. There is a door in the classroom. There are 2 windows in the classroom. Is there a door in the classroom? For example, we have positive sentences, negative sentences, yes, no questions, and short answers. In positive sentences, there is a table. Repeat, please. There is a table. There are 2 desks. Repeat, please. There are 2 desks. The negative sentences. There isn't a table. There aren't any desks. We use the negative word not in these sentences. There isn't a table and there aren't any desks. Yes, no questions. For example, is there a table? Are there any desks? Repeat please all together. Is there a table? Are there any desks? Short answers. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't.
So, now children, let's do some tasks according to our lesson. The first task is let's say. Now you should say in orally, complete with there is and there are. Please, at first look at the screen and look at the picture and complete the sentences with these constructions. Okay, so let's start. I have a room in our flat. It isn't large. There is one window in it. Near the window there is a table where I do my homework. There is a lamp on the table. There are 2 chairs at the table. There is a bed near the wall. There is a bookcase near the bed. There are many books in it. I have a nice picture on the wall. There is a piano in the room. I like to play the piano. I clean my room every day. I like my room. It's nice. And you should find in this text, find constructions.
Okay, boys and girls, for improving your knowledge by these constructions, there are your home tasks. Are exercise 2 and 3. In the exercise 2, look at the picture, complete the gaps in the sentences with the correct form there is or there are. And in the exercise 3, fill in there is, there isn't, there are, and there aren't in the sentences. Okay, thank you everyone. Our lesson is over.